फोटो खींचो।
Just a minute.
Which is
Camera rolling. Okay.
Rolling.
Action.
I am the first girl taken in projects, but now there are 5 girls.
Hi, my name is Tejashree Konkar.
Ruta Ranade.
I'm Sunita Nair.
Pooja Desai.
I'm Vaishali. Sukanya Talukdar. I'm Shrija Mala.
My name is Isha.
It's the faith of my family in me.
I prepare a to-do list
My self-motivation.
That I'm working when I am working, and when I'm not working, I'm not working.
with a clear-cut demarcation. You know where you stop and the boundaries should be very clear.
So challenge was basically managing time in terms of I had to do multitasking work.
But still it was challenging for me because I was not able to focus on one thing at a time.
I got a rock solid support from my family who helped me in this transition of full-time working mom to a full-time working from home mom.
I feel like less commute stress, more self-discipline, and now I'm quite comfortable in managing both. Constant motivation from my seniors.
Interact with people. Okay, it motivates me. Okay, if I can be of use to people, it motivates me.
I personally like to learn new things because I feel that brings out the best in you to keep on learning.
I'm very much passionate about my work, that is developing new facilities, developing new designs for our projects. The strive to remain independent is really important to me.
I can make difference every day. I can add value to myself and to the society every day. That keeps me rolling. Really love nature. So I would like to travel.
I will go to my home and I will spend my whole time with my parents.
Some time more with my friends also, which I'm missing on these days.
I will sleep. I will sleep.
I would love to spend a full day with my parents and family doing nothing.
Especially for girls, I will advise them that you go and fly.
Set your goals high and work your hardest to achieve them.
And be present in today, but at the same time create your own big picture of what you want to be in your future. So it's very important that you should not compromise.
Don't be guilty, because you're not doing wrong if you're living for yourself. You're also a human being at the end of the day.
I would like to be treated as a human being.
As a human.
Obviously as a human.
A human.
I will always prefer as a human.
I would want to be treated as a human because humans only create goddess.